Hey buds, welcome to part 2 of my work log for Medli. Today we'll be focusing on the feathers. So first things first, you're going to need quite a bit of broadcloth fabric, and we'll be using our pattern that we made in part 1. So when you're laying everything out, you want to make sure that you're cutting 4 layers for each feather, because we're going to basically sandwich wire in between 2 layers, which will give the feather some more strength and stability. Alrighty, so now we're going to take some wire, and you're going to want to bend that until it lays flat and measure it so it fits the specific feather that you're working on. Give yourself about an inch or 2 to work with, and then feel free to cut the wire. Now for the primary feathers, you want to bend a loop at the top of the wire because they'll be attached to a bolt later on, which will allow them to move more freely. This is talked about more in Sunnybrook 1's tutorial, which I'm following for this whole process, and I'll link this below for you guys as well. Once you've prepared all the wire, it's time to give it a coat of paint and lay it flat where you'd like it to sit inside the feather. Put the other layer of the fabric on top to sort of sandwich the wire inside, and then begin painting the fabric itself. Paint only inside the fabric in sections, squishing the fabric together to reinforce it. And you want to work really slowly, so this way you can make sure that you won't have any air bubbles or lumps in your feathers. Once the feathers have dried, it's time to go in and trim off the edges. Broadcloth is known to fray a lot, so it's a really good idea to seal the edges with something like Mod Podge or even Fray Check. You can decide to stop here or add any designs that you'd like to your feathers. In my case, the Rito tribe has gray tip wings, so I went in and added that design to each of the feathers. So all together, here's what a completed feather looks like. And thank you guys so much for watching. I really hope you guys found this video helpful, and stay tuned for part 3. Bye!